let's talk about management functions. Management functions. What are management functions? There are generally considered to be 4 management functions. The first is planning. Planning. The second is organizing, leading, and then controlling. Let's do planning first. Planning is first. What is planning? Planning is to write down what you're going to do in the future. So as a manager, you would say, I am going to build our company to be the largest company, and we're going to have a product line with 10 different types of products. We're going to have 100 employees, and we're going to grow in the future. Those are things you plan for. So that's planning. So you could say, I am doing business planning. Okay, I'm doing business planning. And you will hear the term business plan. A business plan is a written document. You write it out on the computer, and it shows, okay, we're going to sell this much stuff. It's going to cost this much. Where are we going to build it? Where are we going to buy the materials? Where's the money going to come from? Where is the money going to come from? Where are the employees going to come from? And where are the customers? These are all things that would go into your business plan. But it's just planning, right? There's 3 other components to management function. Organizing. Organizing is getting all of your employees together and grouping them in divisions. So you have the manager at the top, you have maybe vice presidents at the bottom, and then you have all your workers, right? That's fairly simple. But some workers go in some divisions. You have the factory division. You might have some accounting where they do the controlling, and you could have research, right? You could have research where they find information, and you could have another division, legal, for example. And that's really the organizing part. Leading. Leading. What is leading? Leading comes after planning. So once you've hired all of your workers, you get all your workers, now what you have to do is you have to get them to do a good job. And you have to get them so that they are not destroying or wrecking your factory. So you have to pay them, pay them good. You have to treat them well. You have to sometimes provide medical care, dental care, insurance, right? And you have to motivate them. Do you remember the word motivate from a previous video? It means get them to work better. So you have to get them to work better. And you have to ask each employee what they want, basically. Although mostly they just want money. So, generally, if you just pay them enough, they'll stay. In a bad economy, forget leading. You don't have to lead. They'll just work. If it's a bad economy, they'll just work. Cut the wages, they'll still work. So that's leading in a bad economy. In a good economy, sometimes you have to fight with other companies for money. For employees. So leading can be difficult in a good economy, and it's a little easier in a bad economy. Controlling. What is controlling? Well, controlling means having systems in place so that you can keep track of where the money's going. Right? So you have an accountant who says, okay, we have this much money coming in and this much money going out. They have to keep track of every expense, which is money going out, and every revenue, which is money coming in. And they have to make sure that you have all the money taken care of. You know where it's going. So people can't steal the money, or you're not losing it somewhere. That's controlling. Okay?